Hey, if you've ever wondered how people turn simple domain names into serious cash, today's video is going to blow your mind. Because I'm about to show you how you can use AI to find $1 domains with high resale value and flip them for hundreds or even thousands of dollars using a tool called AIFlipDomains. Now, don't worry if you've never bought a domain before. This system is designed for complete beginners, side hustlers, and even busy professionals who don't have time to mess around with ads, funnels, or content creation. Let's dive in. Most online business models have the same headaches. You need traffic, you need ads, you need content, you need to sell, persuade, and pitch. And let's be honest, that's where most people get stuck. But domain flipping with AI changes the game completely. Instead of chasing customers, you're plugging into marketplaces where millions of buyers are already searching for domains every single month. Here's the magic. AIFlipDomains is the first ever AI-powered domain flipping system. It finds undervalued domains before anyone else, tells you exactly which ones to claim, gives you a resale value estimate, and even guides you through negotiation when buyers reach out. Think about it. You could buy a domain for $1 and flip it for $200, $500, or even $5,000. And the AI handles the heavy lifting: discovery, valuation, listing, and negotiation. So how does it work? It's just 4 simple steps. AI finds domains. The system scans real sales data and demand signals to surface domains buyers are already paying for. You don't brainstorm, you don't guess. You see clear buy or avoid recommendations. AI values them. Every domain gets an AI value score, realistic pricing ranges, and sale probability indicators. You know upfront whether a domain is worth claiming. List where buyers look. With one click, you generate a professional for sale page and list your domain on GoDaddy, Sedo, and Afternic, marketplaces with 50 million plus monthly searches. AI guides the sale. When buyers reach out, the AI negotiation assistant tells you whether to accept, counter, or decline. It even gives you pre-written response templates so you can reply with confidence. That's it. Claim to list to wait to respond with AI guidance. Some of the standout features include expired domain scanner that highlights free or $1 domains, trending niche alerts in hot markets like AI, fintech, health tech, and sustainability, beginner safety mode to block risky domains and spotlight high-quality opportunities, portfolio dashboard with renewal alerts and performance analytics. It's like having a personal assistant that does all the thinking for you. This system is perfect if you're a complete beginner looking for your first online win, a side hustler who wants a simple, low-effort income stream, a failed dropshipper tired of burning money on ads, a busy professional who wants to test opportunities without daily grind, or just someone who hates selling, because here you don't pitch, you don't persuade, you just list domains where buyers already exist. And here's the kicker. AIFlipDomains was awarded JVZoo's Seal True badge, meaning it was independently tested, certified bug-free, and proven superior in quality compared to 99% of products on the platform. Plus, you get a full 30-day money-back guarantee. Try it. Claim a few domains, list them, and see how it works. If you're not satisfied, you get every penny back. Zero risk. So here's the real question. Would you rather spend months posting content, burning cash on ads, and chasing followers? Or spend $1 to $10 claiming domains the AI already verified have flip potential and let buyers come to you? If you're ready to flip your first domain and finally get that online win, check out AIFlipDomains today. Start small, test the system, and watch how quickly those $1 domains can turn into digital assets worth hundreds or even thousands. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more AI-powered income strategies, and drop a comment below letting me know what kind of domains you'd love to flip. See you in the next video.